This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and this is my channel where I bring you strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. If you're looking to go to the next level, then this is an episode you don't want to miss. Stay tuned.
Next level Slayer.
Hello, and welcome to another episode of Next Level Slayer. I am your host, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and in this episode, I am going to talk about another cryptocurrency that I'm adding to my portfolio, and I am currently on the Coin Market Cap website. And let me just go to the beginning here so you can see where it is in this market. So Solana is number. What's going on here? It's number 17 on the Coin Market Cap, and that's because of the market cap supply, how much the market cap is. That's what puts this in the order, okay? Which one has the biggest market cap? So Solana only started in June or July of last year, and they are number 17, okay? Because they have an $11 billion market cap. The price of a Solana is $43.48. And then Solana, what they do, that it's an ecosystem. It is an ecosystem to help you do transaction faster and cheaper. It is the best projects in DeFi, Web3, blockchain, gaming choose to build on Solana for long term. So they're in the business of providing an ecosystem for DeFi projects, Web3 projects, and gaming projects for long term. So they are, that's what they're behind, that's what their technology is about. So let's see, Solana can process 50K transactions per second. Don't believe us? Stress test the network to experience Solana speed for yourself. Okay, so that is what this is all about. I am I'm not going to do this. That's a little bit too, technical. That's not what I got it for, to do that. But if you want to do that, you're able to do that yourself. You can access them at solano.com, or you can go to the Coin Market Cap and find them here at number 17, and then you're able to click on them to get access to their website. So you would click on it here, Solana, and then you'll be able to click on their website. You can learn everything about them here, like what wallets they're on and what exchanges. You can purchase them on the Trust Wallet, or you can purchase them on the Trust Wallet and hold them on the Trust Wallet. You also can hold them in your Ledger or Trezor wallet, which is hard wallets. They're also on Exodus. They just added, or they must have just been added to Exodus, because they're not on here, but they are on the Exodus wallet because that's where I have mine at. I just purchased me some with Bitcoin on the Exodus wallet. So let me take you guys there. So the Exodus wallet is where I purchased it, and I'm able to get 10.46% APY on Solana for staking it. So that's another reason why I wanted to add it to my portfolio and hold it in my Exodus wallet. So how you do that is simply click there. First of all, to get it, if you have Exodus wallet and you have a Bitcoin in your Exodus wallet, you can exchange your Bitcoin or Ethereum for it. And say, for instance, you want to purchase $100 worth, and then that's only going to get you two, but you're going to spend $106. Okay. And then once you do that exchange, it will become available in your wallet. It's going to take a little bit for it to actually go through, maybe about 30 minutes or so, and then it'll be in your wallet. Once it's in your wallet, then you'll be able to click here and earn rewards. Okay, and then when you do that, you'll be able to click start staking, start earning Solana. Okay, and then it'll ask you how much you want to do. You click all, and then it will go take you through the process of, I already did this, so I should have waited. Actually, I thought I was recording this video as I was doing this, but I wasn't. But so I'm just going over the process. So once you do that, you click start staking, and then it's going to give you some information saying it's going to take you about 14 days, 4 days. Please wait while Exodus stakes your SOL. Do not close during this process. Okay, so I'm not sure what's going on here because I thought I already did this process. So it's probably, which is really weird because I already started staking. So I'm wondering why it's taking me through this process. So let's give this a minute and we will see what happens. So yeah, so this is another coin I'm adding to my portfolio, my crypto portfolio that I'll hold long term. Has this rose. It says do not close it during this process. So I'm not going to close it. Okay, success. You have just staked 2.27 SOL. Okay. Okay, so I thought it was already done, so apparently it was not. Okay, so now you'll see the unstaking period is 2 days, so you have to hold this in here for at least 2 days before you can unstake. But again, that's something that I'm not planning to do. This is a currency a coin that I'm going to continue to stake long term and add more, purchase more in the dips. Okay, so right now, if I go to the chart and look at it, it is considered to be down. This is the daily. Let's go down to yeah, it's down right now. Where it is now, this is considered a dip. So that's why I went ahead and purchased it now. It's below the 200 EMA, and the other EMAs, it's below that. So could it go down some more? It could go down some more. It could go down. This is a support level here, and even down here is considered a support level. But this is the next support level that it can go as low as that. So this is on the hourly chart. So I'm looking at, again, holding this long term. So if you are interested in purchasing this, there's 2 ways, like I said, for you to do this. You can, well, a few ways. You can get it if you have on the Binance exchange. You can get it there. If you're in the U.S., you have to go to Binance.us. If you are not in the U.S., then you can just go onto the regular Binance website. If you have a Trust Wallet, you can download the Trust Wallet on your phone, and you're able to purchase it there with your debit card, your credit card. I have a video that I'm going to link at the end of this video to show you how you buy Tron on the Trust Wallet, but you're able to purchase the Solana the same way, okay, on the Trust Wallet. Maybe I'll do a video on that. I'll probably do a video on how you purchase it on the. No, because I'm not going to purchase it. I'll just show you. I'm not going to purchase it myself there, but I'll probably take you through that process, how to buy it on the Trust Wallet. But you can do it the same way you do Tron. You do the Solana the same way, actually. So maybe I don't need to do that video. Let me know if you need me to do that video. Then I will. Let me know in the comments. But that's another place. And then the other place you can do it is on Exodus. If you have an Exodus wallet, you just simply exchange it for your Bitcoin. Okay. Solana, is it on Coinbase? No, I don't think it's on Coinbase. It didn't say it was on Coinbase. So you can do a search on Coinbase to check that out for yourselves. But those are the ways that you can purchase it. And if you're looking to make some rewards off of it, I would suggest you get the Exodus wallet and stake it there so you can take advantage of this 10.46% reward rate for holding it. So that is just another way to slay the crypto space. So if that's what you're wanting to do, is take your crypto portfolio to the next level, this is how you do it. How can you capitalize off of all of this money that you're building your portfolio with? Well, you simply can cash it out and put it into your bank account. I have a video on how to turn your crypto into cash that will be linked at the end of this video to show you how to do that as well. So that is it. That is all, guys, I have for you in this episode of Next Level Slayer. If you like this content and you want to know, you want more of it, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out. Give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate all my new subscribers that have joined me in the last week. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I look forward to bringing you more content that's going to take you to the next level in your business, your money, and your mindset. If you want to slay the crypto space by learning how to trade crypto, I can teach you that in my Patreon community. If you want to learn other ways where you have direct access to me and where I upload exclusive content and we'll be having live streams where you're able to see me in action, live action, doing trades, doing different things in the crypto space that I don't share on this channel because it may be it's something that it's exclusive. It's tedious, and I only will be doing it for my exclusive community. So on Patreon. So my link and my link tree is in the description. In my link tree, as a matter of fact, I'm going to go there because a lot of people ask for my links for videos and they don't find it for whatever reason. But let me show you my link tree and how to access some things here. So give me a minute. Okay, 1 second. Sign in. Okay, so my link tree is here, which is in the description. This is not where I wanted to go. I'm tripping. I'm not trying to log in. Okay, so here on my link tree, there's my Patreon community. That's the second one. BNB Profits, if you want interested in that. Watermine, Tron Case, Qubit Life, 100K Club, Qcoin, if you want to go ahead and sign up for that. Coinbase, if you sign up for Coinbase, you can get free Bitcoin. If you need a VPN is allows you to have a different IP address, which you'll need for some opportunities like Qubit Life. And eToro is another platform that I trade on. If you're looking to get some free stock, there's Robinhood. And I'm on. If you want to connect with me on other platforms like TikTok or Facebook, that's that. If you're interested in joining my gifting community, that's that. So here is where you can just about get access to everything that I'm doing. You can check them out. Click on those websites, and then my YouTube channel. When you click on this, it'll take you to my latest videos that I've done. You're able to check that out here as well. So yeah, this is a good. My link here is something that you want to probably bookmark. That way you can stay up to date on what I'm doing as well. All right. So that is it. That is all, guys. What I probably will be doing, I'll probably be doing some snippets. I'm showing some snippets of things that I'm doing in my Patreon community. Share some of that with you guys. Just some snippets. Just got that way you can get an idea of what you get for joining the community. So want to see those snippets, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out. Okay. All right, guys. Well, thank you again for watching, and until next time, I see you on the next level. Bye bye.
Welcome to the next level. Next level.